Okay, so we're in Adobe Illustrator and we're going to go over the tools and the toolbars and how to turn them on and off and so on. So let's see here. We're going to go up to Window and we'll come down to toolbars. And it's on advanced right now, which is referring to this. But if I pull that down to, well, first of all, if I take advanced off, um, we don't have any tools. So you might be here trying to figure out where they are at all. So make sure one of these three is there. Basic, that'll give you that guy. Um, Advanced, getting started. Different sets of tools over here on the left. So keep it real. Stay in the advanced one. And then we have the control bar, which is up here. This is the top piece, and that's a tricky guy too. This is, this toggles on all your alignment and whatever, transform, stroke. So that's called control. That can be hidden by accident pretty easily, or if you update Illustrator, so control bar is your top one. And then if you hit F on your keyboard, just F, nothing else, not Command F, but just F, you'll notice that the background tabs went away and this is now solid. And then hit F again and then all your tools go away. Now you can still use it, like, I can pressing the space bar right now, I can toggle around, I can click, I'm going to hold shift and click, so everything works the same as long as you know all your keyboard shortcuts. It's kind of cool. And then F again and you're back. So F, F, F. So that's can be frustrating if you don't know that too. So uh, that's about it for toolbars. Hopefully that helped, and see you next time.